Hey Tech Tubers, this is David with Random Tech Tips, and today I've got a little bit of a different video for you. So like many of you, I am a new YouTube content creator, so I don't necessarily have a dedicated space to film videos. Currently, my computer setup is in one of our spare bedrooms in my house, and it's really a mess right now. So over the course of the next few months, I'm gonna do some updates to this room. I'm gonna be adding an accent wall. I'm gonna be reconfiguring my desk, my shelving, and get this space into more of a usable studio space for the content I want to create for this channel. So the first thing that I wanted to do is I just wanted to show you guys where I'm starting and what I'm starting with. In case you're in a similar position and you don't have a huge budget to go out and rent a new studio space to start your YouTube channel. So let's go ahead and take a look at my current setup and room. Alright guys, so I'm going to start with showing you my current desk setup. Please excuse the mess because I've actually started already reorganizing and taking things apart before I started this video. So the first thing that I have here is a makeshift shelf that I had created using some 2x4s and some extra laminate countertop when we were redoing our kitchen. So that's just a temporary fixture because I needed some more space to work with. The original desk, you can see, is that brown color with the black legs. That's been here for about 2 years, but obviously I added some extra length onto that and I added some LEDs to that. To me, this just does not aesthetically look pleasing, so that's another reason that I'm going to be upgrading the desk today. One thing you might notice is I have my monitor cover off, and there's the monitor. It's an AOC monitor, and it doesn't have VESA mounts. I picked this up for like $100 a couple months ago to use as a dual monitor. So what I'm going to be doing, and I'll put that at the end of this video, is creating kind of a DIY VESA system so that I could get it mounted when I do build the new desk later today. So I've also got a little shelf that I put up there that's got some boxes from components I have. Those coolers are a couple things I got on sale. Just some extra stuff to be able to start doing some benchmarking. A motherboard that I just purchased from Newegg, and I got a killer deal on it. And just a bunch of other random stuff on that table. So the vision is to take my PC, take this setup completely apart, to free up some more space, maybe do something different on that wall back there. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with that yet, but I am going to actually be moving my PC to the opposite wall, and I'm going to be getting rid of this L configuration because really this space back here is just all lost because it kind of converts back there and my monitors come in at an angle. So moving on, this is the new wall, and sorry I can't zoom out more here. This is the new wall that I'm going to be putting my desk on, and I'm actually going to be adding some shiplap to this wall as well to make it more of an accent wall as a backdrop for future videos. I'm actually going to be using this piece right here. So this is a 6-foot by 20-inch, I believe, piece of pine board that I got from Lowe's. I think it was right around 20 bucks, but I'm going to go grab another one of these today to double it up. And then I'm going to be putting some vinyl wrapping over the top of it to make a cooler looking desk. And I'm going to be putting that against this wall. If I have time today, which I doubt I will, but I'm also going to be getting another one of these desks over here to be able to add as a setup desk or a review desk. So the other things that I have in this space, again, sorry for the mess all over. I had already started cleaning. Well, I have a closet in there, which I can't really do anything with, but I have this huge queen size bed that I don't use. It's a guest bed. We rarely ever have guests. That I am actually going to be doing a DIY Murphy bed system that I saw from a YouTube content creator called DIY Creators. Awesome channel. I've done a lot of woodworking plans from that guy's channel. I think his name was Glenn, if I remember correctly. Extremely knowledgeable, has some great things to show you. So if you guys are also into woodworking or want to build your own desk, he's got a great desk setup on there as well that's got some LED lights. I would highly recommend going to check out that channel. I'll have the description I'll have the link to that in the description. So that'll hopefully get this bed up against the wall, and it's only going to stick out about 10 or so inches. which is going to really free up a lot of the space in this room. We have hardwood flooring. I don't personally like the look of this flooring, so I'm actually going to be, over the course of the next few months, getting some laminate flooring, a darker color, kind of a smoked hickory, I think, maybe a grayish color, not really quite sure yet, to accent these walls, but just so the floors look better in general, because let's try to get close in on them. You can see we never had them finished when we moved in and ripped up the carpet, so there's just spots everywhere. Again, just not aesthetically pleasing to me. If you guys think that I should just keep this flooring and finish it, let me know in the comments below. My makeshift light, because that's the only light that I have in this place right now. So yeah, I think that's about it, guys. I'm gonna head over to Lowe's, grab the equipment, and then I will get back and I will probably have a time lapse of me doing some work so that you guys can see kind of what that looks like. But this is what we're starting with, a complete mess, probably going to take us all day and maybe even a couple days to get the space where I want it to be, at least for now. So thanks for checking us out, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see the progress and how to get a YouTube studio set up on a budget. Thanks. Alright guys, I just got back from Lowe's and the trip did not go as planned. Like I was saying in the original video, I wanted to get 2 of these longer boards right here. They're already pre-cut, they're pine, I know that they're straight, but those boards were actually $30, and that is kind of out of the budget right now. So what I ended up doing was improvising, and I'm going to have to cut my own, but I got a couple sheets of MDF, which is like a composite wood. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay the other desk over that so I can make sure I get the right dimensions, because I think it's really like 19.75 inches instead of 20. I'm going to go ahead and cut the boards up, and I'm going to use this MDF as the bottom side of the 2 layers, where I'm going to attach the piping as legs to, so that the top surface mounts directly to the vinyl that I got. So a little bit of a wrench thrown in my plan, but hopefully it's not gonna matter too much. I didn't show you, but I did actually get the vinyl from Amazon. It came in today. It comes in a package like this. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a white wood grain texture. I'll show you. I'll roll it out once I actually get to building. But I just wanted to give you guys that update. Total trip cost right around $60 to get the MDF, some screws that I actually needed for some other things, and all the galvanized pipe to be able to use as legs. So update video coming soon. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Unfortunately, I didn't get as far as I wanted to in the desk setup. I only got the first piece of it done, and it's technically going to have two pieces. One of them is going to be a modular table so that I can do unboxing and reviews on that table with an overhead camera, potentially some builds as well on the channel. However, I just ran into a bunch of different issues today, and time just started catching up with me. So there's probably going to be 2 or 3 more videos now. I apologize for the length. I'm not really sure when I'm going to get around to doing the second part of the desk build, because I am pretty exhausted and I've got a long week of work coming up. If this was something that you enjoyed, please like and subscribe so you can see the updates as my channel progresses. Additionally, I'll have some still shots of the desk that you see behind me. I'm really happy with the way that it turned out, and it was extremely inexpensive to create, and I already had most of the supplies already on hand. So if that's something that you guys are trying to mimic to get a really good looking desk for not a lot of money, just check the description. I'll put all of the materials used as well as the prices of those materials from the local Lowe's. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. I know it's a little bit different, but I just want to keep you updated as the channel starts to evolve and I'm able to start creating more content. So until next time, I'll tech you later.